Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to teach you step by step the brand new way to crush it online, to make thousands of dollars per month online for beginners this year in 2025. The easiest way to make money online from different companies and different opportunities without you having to lift a finger. One promotion, one effort, and make thousands of dollars from different companies. Now, before I dive into this video, if you're watching one of my videos for the first time on my YouTube channel, then make sure you smash that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up, it will be appreciated. And if you have any kind of question, just leave a comment. My channel is all about making money online, affiliate marketing, traffic generation, lead generation, campaign creation, and helping newbies and beginners create a successful internet business from scratch. So if you're interested in any of this, make sure you do subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I have helped thousands of people make money online. Some of my students have gone on to make multiple 4, 5, 6, and even 7 figures online. So if you're really serious about changing your life and you want a successful internet business that could work for you from home on completely autopilot, then make sure you subscribe. So let's dive into this video. Let's talk about the old way of making money online. The old way of making money online was that you come to Clickbank, okay, you register your free account, then you go to the Clickbank marketplace. So you come here to a Clickbank marketplace, and then you need to choose a product. So you have different ways to choosing a product. You could just come here, sort out the results by high to low, rank, low, high, conversions, etc. You look on the right hand side, you can see how much commissions you're going to get paid. And then you just click on the promote button, get your affiliate link, and start driving traffic. This is the old way of making money online, promoting someone else's product. The question is, does this still work? Absolutely yes. Can I make money with this method? Absolutely yes. With this method, can you really build a successful multiple 4, 5, 6 figure business? Absolutely yes. Can I really make $10,000, $20,000, $30,000, and even $100,000 a month in commissions promoting someone else's product this old way? Absolutely yes. But because it's an old way, it requires a bit extra effort. Okay, you need to put in an extra effort to get this to work for you. And the reason you need extra effort is because you have to, it's an old way method, okay? It's an old method, and some of these products are very old, very, very old. What we're going to do in this video, we're going to talk about the brand new method, which is not just new, but it's actually easier than the old method to make money online. And you can actually do this as a beginner, get started today and start crushing it. Even driving a little bit of traffic will do the job for you. In fact, the old way was you get your promotional link from here, start driving traffic, and you're going to make money with this one product. You might not make not even a single dime. But with the new method, you're going to get your affiliate link, you're going to start driving traffic, and you're going to make money from about like 4 companies, 5 companies, 6 companies, 7 different companies at the same time. And not just that, you're going to make like $20, $30. Some of these companies pay you up to $600, $500, $400, $800, $900, $178. So the new way to make money online is way easier than making money the old way. And the new way to make money online, promoting someone else's product, requires less effort and more commissions. Less effort and multiple streams of income. So what is the new way to make money online? The new way to make money online is joining a done-for-you program that does all the heavy lifting for you. You just have to take that affiliate link, promote it, and start making thousands of dollars in commissions from different companies. That's the new way to make money online. Okay, and I'm going to show you how you can do that, okay? So, let's get into this. The new way to make money online is join something that's proven and tested, that's working for newbies and beginners, and they are making multiple 4, 5, and 6 figures. A company that has a proven system that can help you generate commissions from multiple companies at the same time and does all the heavy lifting for you. That means does the selling and telling for you. Gives you access to powerful training that could potentially change your life and solve all your traffic problems permanently. So what is the new way to make money online in 2025, which is 100% beginners friendly, newbie friendly, proven and tested to work, and working over and over again for everyone? That is joining a system that's going to potentially change your life. And which system am I talking about? A website address is popping up right on your screen, okay? If you go to that website address that's popping up right on your screen, open up a new browser, go to that website address. I'm going to have it in my description box as well. I'm going to have it in my comment section box as well. When you come to that website address, you're going to come to a screen just like this. A brand new way to make commissions promoting other people's products where all the heavy lifting is done for you. Okay? So you're going to come to a page just like this. You could read this. This is exactly real and accurate information being given to you, because that is true. You're going to make $900 in commissions. Okay? 100% profit. Okay? So you're going to watch this video first. Click on this video. Watch this video. When you go to this website address, okay, the link is going to be in my description box and comment section box below this video. You could also head over with a new browser and just go and type that website address that just popped up on the screen. And when you scroll down, you could read everything about this, what you're going to get. You're getting a done for you, ready-made business in a box. It's up to you. The opportunity is here for you to make money and crush it online. It's up to you whether you want to take it or you want to ignore it like other people. Most people just ignore it. Hey, this doesn't work. This is all rubbish. This and that. I know some people who didn't listen to me a couple of years ago. They're still struggling. I know some people who took my advice. They followed my steps. They took my recommendations. They're making money. Okay? They're happy. So it's up to you. Whether you want to ignore it or not, it's up to you. Okay? My job is to share the information that's working right now and that's crushing it. And you could be one of those that could make a lot of money in this year 2025. Okay? So you're going to scroll down, and guess what? This is free. Okay? To join this is free. What you need to do is create your free account. Okay? So you want to click on this, create your free account. Okay? 51,109 members have already joined this, and what they are saying, you can check out the testimonial, and this is just a couple. Okay? These are just a couple of testimonials, but if you keep going and going, you're going to see some powerful testimonials. All right? So click on start here. And when you click on start here, you could create your free account. So you're going to come here, put your name, put your last name. What's your goal? $10,000 a month? $20,000 a month? Whatever your goal is, just put it here. Okay. Tick this box, very important. Put your email. Make sure it's a Gmail. Okay. Because if it's not Gmail, it's not going to work. So make sure you have a Gmail address. Create your password. I am not a robot. And there you go. Click on create my account and your free account will be ready for you. A done for you super affiliate system that's going to do all the heavy lifting for you. Okay. Now what happens? Once you have joined, okay, you're going to come to a page just like this. Okay. So let me just log in quickly. All right. And I'm going to show you. You're going to come to a page just like this. Okay. When you come here, you're going to find start here, bonuses. Yes. Bonuses, which will be probably available for just 48 hours as soon as you join. Some powerful bonuses, okay? Leaderboard, okay? Referrals, etc. So let's just skip this for a part. We need to focus on these three stuff. Step 1, step 2, and step 3. Step 1 is set up your system. So how do you do that? You want to scroll down and you want to watch this video. This video is very, very important. Okay. You're going to watch this video. All right. This will explain everything to you, what this system is all about and how it is helping thousands of people make money online. Okay. Then you want to scroll down and you're going to find 2 links here. These are your affiliate link. Can you remember the old way of making money online? Just click on this promote button from Clickbank, get your affiliate link, start driving traffic. The new way is, come here, you got your affiliate link here, okay? And this is your affiliate link. You're going to drive traffic to this, okay? Don't worry if you don't know how to drive traffic. We're going to talk about that in a moment, okay? You're going to have 2 links here, all right? One this and one this. This is a webinar page. You could drive traffic to a webinar page where the webinar is going to do the selling and telling for you, or you could drive traffic to this page here using this link, and it's going to come to a page just like this, similar, that I'm sharing with you in my video. Okay, and then what do? Like I said, set up your system. Step 1. How do you do that? You scroll down, income stream number 1. Okay, got backup. Just read everything, what this is all about. Okay, if you're still confused and you don't know what this is all about, you could just click on this tutorial video and it will explain everything to you, okay, what this system is all about. If you are happy, you just need to click on this step 1, join got backup. Okay, click on this join got backup, go through all the information, name, email, address, etc. Once you have joined this system, you will able to get your affiliate link from this program, and then you just come here and paste it in here. Okay, paste it in here, click on save and update, and there you go. You have done income stream number 1 is activated for you. Then income stream number 2. Okay, what is this? SendShark. Just read this. It gives every information what SendShark is all about. Okay, if you still have questions, just click on this tutorial. Once you are ready to join, okay, come here, click on this yellow button, activate your SendShark account, go through all the information, take action. Once you have successfully joined, you will be created a reseller account, which is an affiliate account. Get your affiliate username, paste it in here, okay, and click on save and update. Okay, you want to scroll down, and then income stream number 4, the same thing you want to do. Read all this information. If you still have questions, just click on tutorial. It'll explain everything. Once you are ready to join, just click on activate ROI panel, and then once you have joined, just get your affiliate link, your API key in this case, just paste it in here and click on save and update, and so on and so forth. You're going to do that for income stream number 4, which pays 100% commission. That's right, 100% commission. Earn $900 in commission straight into your bank account. Okay, so you want to activate income stream number 4, income stream number 5, income stream number 6, and income stream number 7. Okay, once you have done that, what you want to do, you want to go to here. Okay, now can you remember I talked about these bonuses? Okay, these bonuses are only available for the first, I guess it was 48 hours, and that you could unlock these bonuses when you join income stream number 1, which is very important. So you'll probably have 48 hours to join income stream number 1. Okay, and if you don't get it, then you might not get your bonuses. So you have 48 hours to unlock all the bonuses to join income stream number 1. Okay, then you need to set up your autoresponder. Very simple, just scroll straight to the bottom. Once you have activated all the income stream, connect your autoresponder, and you're going to get done for you email swipes. Okay, so as soon as someone joins this system and creates a free account, you're building a list. That person's going to be added to your list, okay, which is going to be your autoresponder account that's connected to this. And then you just have to copy and paste those emails that's been given to you from this system into the autoresponder. So those people who comes in for free, those email follow-ups kicks in and tells them what they need to do. Okay, so you just have to connect your autoresponder here. So click on it, connect your autoresponder, and when you click on this, you're gonna get done for you email swipes that you can copy and paste. It's about 13 or 14 of them. just paste it straight into your autoresponder, plug it in. When you start getting people into this account, they're going to get these autopilot, autoresponder, email follow-ups telling them what they need to do. Okay, now you're probably asking, okay, this sounds so good, man. I just have to promote this one affiliate link here, and every time someone creates an account, I'm building a list, I'm getting people into my list. At the same time, if they activate any of these income streams, I am making commissions, and some of these are going to pay you commissions up to $900. That's right. Okay, but what about, how do I get traffic? I don't know how to get traffic to this. So there where the step 3 comes into place. You click on this, don't forget to advertise, and when you click on this, you're going to get tutorial videos. Okay, all of these tutorial videos telling you how to get traffic. Okay, there you go. Your traffic problem is solved permanently, and this is how people are doing it. This is how people are making thousands of dollars in commissions with this brand new affiliate marketing system. This is the way, and this is the latest way to start making a lot of money this year in 2025. Okay, so you're going to get this all traffic training just down here. This is how simple it is. All right, so if you are interested, link is popping up on the video. Open up a new browser, go to that website, open up your free account. Okay, it's not going to cost you a dime to create your free account with this. So just create your free account, and then you can start taking the next step by setting up your system, autoresponder, and don't forget to advertise. It's that simple. All right, I'm going to paste the link in my description box and in my comment section box below this video as well. If you have questions, don't forget to comment, put a comment and let me know. I will be more than happy to answer all your questions.